Hello. Welcome to my channel. In this video we will talk about how to get a taut vagina. Exercise the muscles of the vagina so that the vagina becomes more tight. Bringing a child into this world is wonderful. Unfortunately for some women who have had this procedure multiple times, there is a negative side effect. It is a loosening of the vagina. The vagina looks like an elastic band. It can stretch and then return to its original shape if not stretched too. However, if it is stretched beyond its limits, it will not return to its original form quite easily. Having many children can cause this problem for most women. The problem with having a flaccid vagina is that it can make most women not reach an orgasm because it can be difficult for their partner to effectively stimulate the sensitive areas of the vagina. An increasing number of women suffer from this problem, and the sad truth is that it can lead to more devastating problems like broken relationships. How treating a loose vagina? If you have loose vagina, there are several methods you can follow to fix this problem. You can try vaginal sprays, Kegel exercises, or you can have an operation. However, I recommend that you opt for a Kegel exercise rather than spending on nebulizers or surgery. Other than being expensive, it can lead to various other problems that may put you in a much worse position than you are now. Benefits of doing Kegel exercises for a wide vagina. Kegel exercise is one of the most important exercises for women. Kegel exercise will strengthen the pelvic floor muscles and prevent common problems associated with weak pelvic muscles such as: Number 1. Leaking a few drops of urine while coughing, laughing, or sneezing. Number 2. Fecal leakage. Number 3. Inability to hold urine for long periods. Number 4. The inability to achieve strong jolts. When is the best time to do a Kegel exercise? One of the good things about performing a Kegel exercise is that you can do it anywhere and anytime you want. You do not need any special equipment, any creams or gels, or any specific requirements. So if privacy is your thing, you will love the Kegel vagina tightening method. No one will ever know you are doing it, and your partner will be surprised to realize the change in your vagina. Therefore, the Kegel exercise is suitable for any time and anywhere. How to perform the Kegel exercise? The first thing you want to do is decide which muscles to target. This is very easy. Simply go to the bathroom to urinate and then try to stop the urine midway before you are done. The muscles you use to stop urine are the same muscles you would target to tighten your vagina. You want to do the same thing you did to stop your pee midway. However, it will go a little further with squeezing it for 15 to 20 seconds before letting it go. Do this process 3 to 4 times for one exercise session. For best results, exercise at least 3 times a day, 5 days a week. You will find that the exercise will be a little challenging for the first week. However, as the vagina becomes stronger and tighter, it becomes easier to perform. Then you can increase the waiting time and the amount of repetitions you do. Having a flaccid vagina isn't the end of the world. Simply by practicing Kegel exercises, you can strengthen the vaginal muscles, make the vagina tighter, and thus satisfy your partner during explosive body orgasms on your own. So if you worry about time to stop and start Kegel exercises today. The importance of a tight vagina. A tight vagina is very important for all women. A tight vagina means a non-flabby vagina. A tight vagina means a more beautiful vagina. A tight vagina meaning that a vagina is not wide. The vagina widening and its impact on the marital relationship is very dangerous, so women must be careful in how to treat and solve this. The problem is the continued success of the marital and sexual relationship in particular. In the end, please activate the bell button, subscribe to the channel, to receive from us all that is new. For more information about the taut vagina, please visit my own site. You will find the website link in the description. Thank you.